Good morning, my dear students. This is Sabia Parveen. I'm going to start chapter 1 of moral science. You know that moral science, moral values are very important for we people. These moral values let us to be in a society in a very healthy and peaceful with a very healthy and peaceful mind. So if we people have these moral values, it help us not only knowledge, like nowadays people are thinking that if they have knowledge, if they have money, then they can sustain life very easily. But no, it is not like that. People should have some moral values in their life, because these moral values help a person to get converted into a good person, and everyone wanted to be a good person, and to be a good person we have some type of values in their life. So these values we people are getting with the help of the things that encourage and that help us to be evaluated. Okay, so let's start with the very first chapter of the moral science, that is motivation. First, we people have to know what do you mean by motivation. So motivation, it is a word which means needs of a person, desire, their wants, their drive. Every individual, they have some type of desire, needs. So motivation, it is actually related to the desire, we wants and need of a single person. It is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the goal. So here I want to explain a very small statement that is given by G.N. Gordon, that life is yard by the heart, but the inch it's a inch. Like life seems to be very difficult, and yes, life is difficult. But if we people are trying a little, if it is not as much hard as it seems to be, because every hard thing when we start, then only we came to know that it is not as much hard as we people are thinking. But here we have to initiate. So by the inch it's a kinch, means if we people are initiating, like if we put a single step to reach into the mountain, we will definitely reach there. But until we are simply standing at the down and we are seeing how heighted it is, how whether I can reach there or not. So if we are simply thinking, then definitely two type of sound comes from our from inside, that you can or you can't, both. And this, the one which is heavier than the other, then they let us, either it let us to become success, or it will give us failure also. So here we have to initiate for everything that we people are actually want, isn't it? So with this statement I am going to start the chapter motivation. So motivation, it is the process that initiate, guides and maintain goal oriented behavior. It is what causes you to act, whether it is getting a glass of water to reduce our thirst, or reading a book to gain knowledge. Okay, motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate behavior. Okay, people who are motivated desire to do things, they desire to make a difference rather than sit and wait for things to happen. But motivation is not for the purpose that everything whatever comes in our mind, because motivation, we people have to be motivated only for those things which do not harm the world. Motivation should be always like which always help the people, or which always give something new, something different to the world. Like nowadays whatever the life we people are sustaining nowadays, we can fly into the air, we can go from one place to another place within few seconds. But earlier the people cannot imagine these things. It was very impossible for those people who are living in the old ages. They cannot think, or they could not think that people can also fly. But nowadays it is possible because of the airplane. So these all impossible things, these all achievement that we people are having today, earlier they was simply a dream. But until these those people do not initiate, we could not get these type of successful things in our life. So all the possible things, all the achievement, every great achievement that we people are having nowadays, once it was also impossible. Okay, until someone set a goal to make it a reality. So every impossible things was earlier, every possible things like we people are having nowadays, it was impossible at that time. But because of their initiation, because of the motivation, that self motivation that the people have, that they have to do it, they have to do it, because of this only they became their dream into a reality. Okay, so every person they have some type of desire, something in their mind, some type of wants in their heart. But the people before initiating or before doing anything, the people are simply they got frightened that whether these are good or not, if we will get failure then what happened. Because of these things only the people they just scared to initiate for anything. But sometimes we people have to go beyond the limitation, because these are the limitation which bind us to do a limited thing. But if we go beyond the limitation, then we wander the world. Okay, here I will tell you a small story of a bumblebee. That bumblebee, it is a very large and hairy insect. The body of bumblebee is very large and very hairy, but the wings of these bumblebee is very small. So, according to the philosophy or according to the principle of aerodynamics, it is said that if a body is very heavy, then it is impossible for the body to fly. But bumblebee is not aware of the fact of aerodynamics. That's why it can fly very easily, very simply, because the bumblebee is not knowing about the fact. If they know about the fact and about the limitation, then the bumblebee also start thinking about that the body is very heavy, that if he started flying then he may fall or something may happen. But because the bumblebee is not knowing about the limitation, it can fly very easily. So sometime it does happen that we people are, if we people are not knowing about the limitation of ourselves, we may wander the world, we may do something like that which is really impossible. And after achieving this impossible thing, we may surprise ourselves or surprise the world. Okay, so we have to be self motivated. Motivation is not from the outside. Sometimes the motivation, outside motivation is also very necessary, but sometimes the motivation, self motivation is also very important. Okay, so here once again I am going to tell you a very small story of a frog. There was once a frog who lived inside a wall. Sorry, who lived inside a well. Okay, so the frog wanted to see the world by coming out from the well, but because the well is so deep and the frog has to climb this much of long area to get outside or to come outside from the well, that's why he always frightened then whether I could do this or not, or whether I can, whatever the thing I want, whether I can achieve or not. So once he went to their friend and explained that what he actually wanted to do. So their friend, they, some of the friend they said okay you can do it, but some of the friend they said no, no, it's too high, you could not, or you cannot do whatever you want. So be here only, why you are thinking of this impossible thing. But the frog, he itself, he just decided to go out of the well and see the world. Okay, so once he tried to climb the well, all the friends, some of the friends started shouting that don't go, don't go, you can't, you can't. But the frog is little he is having little disability that he could not hear properly. He can hear but he could not hear properly. So he just climbed up slowly, 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 and after that, after some time, he succeed. So actually, how does he get success? Because whatever the friends, whatever the motivation that is given by their friends, some of the friends they say yes you can, but some of the friends loudly they said you can't, you can't. But because the frog is unable to hear properly, what he heard that the people at their friends they are saying that you can, or because of these motivation, the outside motivation that he heard, he get motivated, and he means he get this type of guts that he can, and after all he could succeed at last. Okay, so it means that motivation is very important for we people, because we all want to achieve something. But if we get motivated from outside, or if we get motivated from inside, then it help us to live our dream, okay, or to achieve the thing that we people actually want. So motivation is very important for we people. Okay, why does motivation is so important? Because we know that without motivation you can't achieve anything. Motivation, it is an important life skill. The reason it's important is because every person on this earth is unique and has a purpose. To steward your purpose well, you have to be motivated to work towards your goal, which help your dreams become reality. Okay, so motivation, it is very important for every person. If we do not get motivated, then we means sometime we can do, but sometime if someone means motivation, it is like an energy that has to be activated. If someone activated by giving some outside force, by some type of outside effort, then we get activated, and after all we can complete our task. But motivation should always be given in a right path. If a person want to do something good, something for the welfare of the society, and something for the welfare of ourselves, but the people, many people are there who want to do something for the bad, or for harming the society. Like we always heard about the suicide bomber. These suicide bomber are also get motivated, but they are motivated for doing something wrong for the society. They just wanted to harm the society. So they people are also very much motivated in the name of their almighty, that if the people are doing these things, then they will get good or beneficial of this one, and after going from this world they will get heaven, near about the god. But actually these all are the wrong thing that has to be that has to be filled in the mind of those people who are the suicide bomber. They are also motivated, but for the bad thing. So we people have to motivate only those person who want to do something good for the society, something good for the welfare of ourselves, not for doing the bad or harming the society. Okay, so motivation is very important, and self motivation is more important, because if we people are getting motivated from outside only, but our inner uh, sound is not supporting the things that we cannot do, then we definitely cannot do. If we are thinking that you are beaten, then you are. If you think that you dare not, that you don't. If you want to win but think you can't, it's almost a kinch you want. Okay, so it depends on the thinking that what we people have. So first we people have to be self motivated. If we are self motivated and we also are motivated from the outside, then we definitely reach or get the goal that we people actually want in our life. Okay students, for today we have this much only. Next session for this motivation only we will have on the next Monday. Thank you so much for hearing me.